Hey there guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how to make a very simple automatic, not fully automatic, like as in replacing uranium cells, but automatic cooling, um, whatchamacallit, reactor. So you turn it on, it starts pumping ice in, or start replacing that ice. So it's very simple to make as a fail-safe system. It overheats, it'll shut off immediately. So I'm going to do the same thing over here and show you guys how to make it. So first, what we need to do, I'm gonna clear this, get some new shit together. You need a nuclear reactor, reactor chamber, levers, well, just to keep it shut off for the moment. Reinforced stone to put it around it. Energy condenser, collector MK3, or it can be any collector, but I don't know. Ice is easy to make. And I just put a relay in there to make it go faster, filter, and dynamic tubes, and I'll explain what other things we need when we get there. So I'm going to place this here, and I'm going to go in create mode. So let's make your nuclear reactor. I'm making mine a basic 6 core here, or Mark 6, whatever. I don't know how that all works. Then we're going to make our ice machine type deal here. Relay there. Alright. Now we just need ice, so we search for ice real quick. I'm not going to go over recipes because you guys know how to do that. If you're watching this video, you have this mod, and all you know you can just hover over it and press R, and it should tell you. So I'm not going to go over that. So now we got this set up. This is generating ice now at pretty decent speed. So now we're going to place our filter. We got to make sure the filter is not facing like this way. Well, it has to be facing this way, so it sucks that way. Then we're going to place our tubes here, like that, like so. Then, let's do this, just, get this done and over with, make sure it's shut off. Alright, so we're going to place a thermometer here. This is very simple. Make sure it's placed on like that. And you can edit how hot you want it to signal at. I usually keep it around 2000 because that's operating temperature. And if you notice, if I put it at 0, it will activate because it's at 0 right now. So I'm just going to put it to 2000. Cool. So once it gets to that temperature, it will generate a redstone circuit, immediately shutting off the reactor. Alright. So now I'm going to fill in their uranium, and I'm just going to go. Now what we can do, we can place a timer. So for the redstone, you need, I forgot to tell you this, sorry. You need timer, red alloy wire preferred. You can use any redstone current systems. Thermal monitor, which is the one we placed on the nuclear thing there. And the digital thermometer is what you can right click on it and it'll tell you information about the nuclear reactor itself. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to place a timer right next to this, and we're going to change it to 1 second. And if you notice, it starts filling it up. And voila, if it overfills, it just goes back in there. So now we turn it on. You know that, notice that the heat is going up, but it is going down, and then it goes up again, and then it goes down. So it's very stable. You can read, 2044. So that's pretty good. I mean, for very basic design. And you can do whatever you want. I'm on a flat world, so I can't really dig that far between bedrock, but I usually put this either A underground or kind of like face this going up with like a little L. Stack these on top of each other. Like this. Get out of here, cat. Goodness, stupid cats. Then, what I do is I just put it just kind of like that, but all you do is stack them on top of each other. Like that, and then you can place a filter that way. And then the filter can be directly right onto the nuclear reactor itself, so it can be like that, and it'll still work. But the redstone timer, if you put it like that, it might screw up with the timer on that. So yeah, you can do that, and then usually I cover it up with make a little building out of it or something like that. But last step is to, you always have to be safe. Always be safe. Don't get cocky. Cover it with reinforced stone. Oh. I usually do 2 layers. One more. It will blow through one wall, one layer, so it's not as effective. I learned that the hard way on my survival map or world. I don't care if it blows going up in the direction of up, so I don't care. I'll turn this on. Cover it like that. So there you have it. That is basically your basic nuclear reactor automatic coolant setup. This only works for Tekkit Classic, or you can also do it in Feed the Beast. I play Feed the Beast a little bit more than I do Tekkit Classic, and you can do it in the earlier versions of Minecraft. But in Tekkit Lite and newer versions, you will not be able to use ice to cool your your reactor, because it's in the new update and he's a pain in the butt. But other than that, that is it, and I am out. See you later. And if you guys want to kind of get a gist on automatic uranium refilling and ice refilling, you can give one of my, I have another video on my channel that kind of explains that and has a whole system set up. It's still kind of, I'm still kind of developing it. I've been making it myself. It's kind of unstable, but it's very useful and it does work really well. But sometimes it doesn't work 100% of the time, but I'll just say 99%. And if you watch this video, I'll explain why it is 99%. Alright, peace out. Thanks.